Pag-usapan natin ang consent. Naging topic ito recently dahil napabalita yung nanay na gumalaw ng pera ng anak without his consent. At napag-usapan sa Senado yung consent between spouses. Ito yung mga nakita ko. I work with the Autism Society Philippines. Relevant itong conversation on consent kasi sa social media, may nakikita akong mga accounts of parents talking exclusively about their young child or an older child with disabilities. Yun lang yung laman ng account nila. The intention is good naman, to share inspiration and awareness about the life of families who live with disabilities or sometimes even asking for financial support during live sessions. I completely empathize with how difficult life can be. This practice becomes problematic when the child is too young or cannot give consent because of their disability. This is a violation of the child's right to privacy as affirmed by the United Nations. Isa pa, relevant itong conversation on consent kasi sa social media, nagiging habit na kumuha ng content ng iba without the creator's consent, without attribution, basically copying and pasting everything and making the content appear as if they owned the video, the photo, the research, or have the right to monetize using that content. That is a violation of the creator's intellectual property rights. Isa pa, relevant itong conversation on consent kasi after a Senate hearing on marital abuse, there was chatter around the woman's responsibility to her husband to meet his needs. Some were even quoting Bible verses. Based on some videos I saw, some were not convinced that women had the right to say no to their husbands. Karapatan po namin yun. According to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Women and the Philippine Magna Carta of Women. Roots of Health, a health education NGO based in Palawan, shared the elements of consent with the acronym FRIES, F-R-I-E-S. Consent is F, freely given. Hindi consent yun kung musmos o may kapansanan yung kausap mo. Hindi consent yun kung may takot, manipulasyon o kalasingan. Consent is R, reversible. Hindi forever and ever ang consent. Kapag gusto bawiin, respetuhin. Consent is I, informed. Kapag nag-agree ka based on yung pinag-usapan, kapag hindi totoo o nag-iba yung terms, hindi na valid yung unang consent na binigay. Consent is E, enthusiastic. Ibig sabihin, gawin mo kung gusto mo talaga. Huwag yung napipilitan ka lang dahil sa utang na loob o hiya. Consent is S, specific. Hindi dahil nagbigay ka ng consent na mag-withdraw ang magulang mo sa ATM mo pang grocery, hindi ibig sabihin uubusin nila lahat for other things. Remember, F-R-I-E-S, freely given, reversible, informed, enthusiastic, specific. Importante ang consent kasi it is a sign of respect. Ang mga magigiting na Pilipino may respeto sa kapwa. O diba?
Meow meow.